right, ready, dude? Got to pay for the parking.
Hey guys.
Are you the attendant?
Yes, sir.
You want to look at that rock
Yeah.
before we go in? All right.
I want to climb on top of that.
You think you can climb on that?
Maybe. If there's a low part for me to put my foot up on.
Right. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Can you get up? Here's my feet. Here's my hand. Here's my hand. My hand.
Oh.
You got it?
My God. Since you said this was bigger than the car, yeah, now
It's
I can
big,
feel
huh?
why it's bigger than the car.
You like it up there?
I'm kind of scared.
Are you?
Yeah.
You want me to help you get down? All right. Here, I'll put my hand right here. Put my hand here. Put your foot on it. There you go. Foot. Foot. Next one. Next one.
Good idea, dude.
Okay. I got you. You like it? Is it weird up
You
there?
got my arm.
Oh, did I hurt your arms? Sorry,
Kinda.
dude. Sorry.
That's one of my weak points.
Yeah.
I've been here before.
Yeah.
No.
There's like turtles and stuff in there. Oh yeah, it's good. Let's go down here.
I remember this place.
Yeah.
What was this place called?
This is Glen Helen, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember all the names. I usually go to John Bryan, but I think this is Glen Helen.
I know Glen Helen. Fossil.
Yep. Wow, that's a cool fossil. That's an ammonite, isn't it?
I've never seen one of these.
Yeah, right there.
I need to go back to that place where that horn coral is.
You mean at Caesar's Creek?
Yep. What's this rock? It has to be rocks because this is a nature. Here comes the water.
Yeah.
Careful. Some of these plants could be poison ivy.
What the heck, dude? Look over here. There's a big old dam over here.
Beaver dam.
Look at the waters above us.
Beaver dam.
Look, the water's above our legs. Right? The water's like, where, right here maybe?
Uh-huh.
But there's a dam holding it all back.
Beaver dam.
That's cool. You think Beaver built all that?
Uh-huh.
And then they made a whole lake over here. Wow.
Beaver dams always look like this. The water is just frozen. Not moving at all.
And it is, it's just moving so slow. You can see it right there. See how it's moving right there by that log?
Uh-uh.
No, right at the edge of the
Oh,
lake.
yeah.
So it's moving, you just can't tell. He's a fluffy doggy. That's crazy, dude. I don't think I've ever seen it like this before. Dang, look, the water comes right up here.
It's all like mossy.
Wow,
It's all mossy.
that's cool.
It's like all
Hi.
mossy.
Yeah,
It's like all mossy.
yeah, that's crazy. Water's like right here.
I could probably stick my finger in there.
Yeah, I can smell it. Can you smell it?
Oh, yeah.
It smells earthy, kind of fishy.
Yeah.
I've never seen the water this high before.
Yeah. It says that when beaver dams die down, it says that
Oh look,
they,
it's all the way up to all the way up here. What the heck?
it says when beaver dams get destroyed, they would usually flood the area.
Really? Hi.
Flood. More moss.
Yep.
Is that algae? I think that's algae.
Yeah, algae.
I've never seen algae.
Oh, now you have. Let's try this way. This way might be wet. Looks like it is wet.
I've never ever seen algae. And now
Here,
I
let's let him run by. Pretty muddy down there, or is it okay?
Not terrible. There's
Not
a
too
few
bad.
spots and they have boards laid down, but
Okay.
everything else is pretty great.
Okay, thanks.
think I'm gonna make a sea book with sea plants, seaweed, algae, all kinds of that stuff.
Yeah.
It would have little tanks in there that I could put them in, so it could stay healthy.
Yeah.
Little tanks.
Another boardwalk here.
Salt water, to be specific.
I heard a frog. Did you hear it? You're doing saltwater tanks? Is that what you said?
Yeah, salt water. Little salt water tanks where I could fit some stuff in there. And there would just be like little parts of them. Like little parts of algae. And fish do eat algae. But what if we took off our shoes and pulled your pants up, your these parts up, and we stepped in there?
Yeah. What, you want to get in there?
No, I was just saying that. I was just saying.
Nope, a little muddy spot, dude. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Honest muck.
Yeah. Oh man, someone left a sock over here.
Where?
I bet they tried to go out on this.
Uh-huh. And they probably fell in.
Yep.
Because who would want to do
Two
that?
geese. 2 geese right over there. Right in the water. See them right behind that tree? Are they eating algae?
I think they are.
Right?
Yeah, they're definitely. Wait a minute. They're not 2 geese.
Yeah, there's one right next to it.
No,
His head's in the water.
that's wood.
No.
Oh, there's the other
Yeah.
one. There's the other one. I didn't see that one.
What the heck, dude? Look. Do you see what I see?
What?
You don't see it?
Tadpoles.
They're everywhere.
They're probably gonna grow up into frogs.
Yeah, they are. Some of them. Some of them are gonna get eaten. They're everywhere, dude. What?
What if I picked one up?
You want to? I can get one.
Yeah, yeah.
Or do you want to try? Come over here. They're right here.
Look at all these tadpoles.
See if you can get one.
I touched one. Can't grab one.
Yeah, kind of hard, huh?
I can only touch them.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Look,
got one.
what happened to this tree?
Got cut down.
By what? What do you think did
Beaver.
it? Yep.
I could probably get one if this bridge would be. Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch. All right, this is mud, so we gotta jump around it, jump over it.
I should probably do that.
Nice. Feels like I hear water up here. Do you? Or it's just wind. Oh, nice and cool now that we're out of the sun. Oh, there's a bridge over there. You see it? You want to go in there? We can't. Yeah.
You said it was supposed to be orange.
It is a little orange.
Yeah,
See how it's
waterfall.
orange?
Yeah.
Here, come up
I
here.
thought you were saying the waterfall.
There's another one up here. This is on the, come up here, you can see it on the ground. See it? No, look up here. Look up there. You see it? It's just flowing over this. If we go up further, we'll see it. We'll see it coming right out of the ground.
Water is actually orange.
Yeah.
It should have been called Orange Springs.
Orange Springs, I know. I don't know why they call it Yellow Springs.
But it's not even yellow. It's orange.
There's the Yellow Spring right there. See it? Now, wait till you see how orange this one is. See it? Look how orange that is, dude. That one's really orange, huh?
Aw.
coming right out of the ground.
The rocks here are even orange.
It's the water. It has iron in it, and iron is when it touches the air, it oxidizes
Then why am I
and turns to
looking at...
rust. You ever heard of rust?
Yeah.
That's what that is. It's all rust.
Oh,
Gold.
that's what it is.
Gold.
I could probably climb up there.
Yeah, we shouldn't go up there though. I can see people go up there though.
Want to go up there?
No.
Or do
Let's
we-
keep going this way though.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Going up there. Which means going up this way.
Oh, it looks like people do walk up there. You can go up there.
Okay.
Right here. Or up there. Yeah.
So I don't get hit.
Yeah.
This could be a secret hideout. This could be a secret hideout.
Yeah. See ya. See ya. Watch out for that rock. Ah.
So yeah.
You wouldn't run from. Ooh, a spider right here, dude. Look. Spider right here. You went right under it. Oh, see it? See it right there? It's dropping to the ground.
Yeah.
Look at these trees, dude. Some big old trees. Here, dude, have some water. Want some?
What'd you...
What? Don't be looking at the snacks I
I
brought.
just saw Doritos. I knew those were Doritos. I see those Doritos. I knew you brought Doritos in the first place.
How'd you know? You heard?
I saw you.
You heard me?
I saw you.
You saw me grabbing them?
I saw you grabbing them.
See ya. See ya. See ya.
I still got you.
Yeah. Look at this big old tree fell down. See ya. See ya.
See ya.
What? Ah. Watch out there. Watch out.
There they go.
Ooh, let's go walk out to this point.
You sure?
Dangerous. Let's go walk out to this danger point. Oh, there's people down there. Whoa. Whoa. You want to look over?
There's a kid down there.
Yeah. This high? Oh,
See
there
it?
those people. What? All right, dude, that's far enough. I can't see. And bam!
Watch out for the roots.
Oh yeah.
That was like an obstacle course.
Sure enough.
That was probably like a... We could probably make an obstacle course out here.
It already is one kind of, isn't it?
It's just made of roots.
Yeah, roots.
We need more stuff. Like water.
We do?
Uh-huh.
Careful, those rocks are slippery. Hold the rail or something, dude. They're slippery. What's there? Oh, dude, let's go look at that real quick. Want to?
Yeah.
All right. And there's a bridge up there. See that bridge up there? You can walk across that bridge too. Uh-oh, someone left a can in a sack over here. What?
Can? Hey, that's the same sock from earlier.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
I don't think so.
That's like, that was the same sock as the other sock we sold.
So, same dude?
They're twins.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, there's another can over there too. Jeez.
You mean a bottle?
One's a bottle, yeah. Oh, look, overhang. Cliff overhang, dude. Another little waterfall down there.
Yeah. There's that water going down to this.
Right. And there's a big pool. I love to go swimming in there.
Yeah. Or we could go rafting.
Oh, yeah. It's not deep enough. It's up right there. Look at these rocks, dude. Little. Hey, another fossil. Right here.
What is that one?
That's an impression. I don't know. Can't tell what that is exactly. Yeah, if we got stuck out here.
This would be perfect for us to do.
Yeah.
Stuck up there.
Careful.
Sorry.
Nice. You need some more water?
No.
No?
See, this.
Oh, no. Careful. Sorry, excuse us. So you did. Watch out for those. Watch out for these. See anything in there?
No.
I see water skitters.
Yeah.
See them?
Uh-huh. See them all over the place. Oh, there's one. See it?
What? Water skitters? Yeah, I see a bunch of them.
Uh-huh.
You hear that monkey?
It's not a monkey.
What is it? That was a monkey.
That's my legs.
Tired?
Okay. So,
We have a long way to go, dude.
I can barely.
See you, dude.
I got you.
Hey, dude. All right, we made it all the way around, dude. You want to look at the creek over here and cross it? Try to cross it?
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Okay. Once you get over that, you're good.
It's slippery, so you can't jump. And it's okay if you fall in. You know that, right?
I just don't want to.
I know, but I'm just saying it's okay if you do. Don't jump. You made it? Oh, right at the end?
Phew.
You made it?
Phew.
No, wait.
Wanna go back?
Yeah.
All right. One of those rocks is wobbly, remember?
Yeah. Probably this one.
Is that it? Yeah.
This is also another one.
Oh, that's wobbly, yeah. Oh, Alex just texted.
40.
Yeah,
He's always texting now.
yeah.
He's been texting a lot.
Well, it's Sunday.
Yeah.
No work. Now we're back.
This is where it's all those tadpoles.
They were up on the right, up there. You know, because we came off here and turned left and went down that way. We're going back this way though.
Is this where the tadpoles were?
No, the tadpoles were over there, remember?
Oh.
We walked down that way. I mean, this is the pond, but they were over there on that part of the pond. This is crazy. I've never seen this much water. I wonder if it does this all the time now.
Probably.
We haven't been here in like 5 or 6 years, I don't think. Wrong way, this way. Stay to the right, okay? Because there's people coming.
Where's that, fossil?
It's up, it's further, it's up at the very beginning. Stay to the right. Yeah, we got still, we're not even, I don't even think we're halfway done. We got a long way to go still.
Only probably like a quarter left.
Yep,
We've only probably done a quarter.
something. Hang on.
Me. Thank you.
No, no problem. Stay on the right, dude.
I could barely even walking.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna need to take a break.
All right, right up here you can take a break. Right up at the top.
Yes. Yes.
Sheesh. What's the big deal, dude?
My legs hurt so bad.
Do they?
A shell.
Where did you find it? There it is. It's shiny. That's pretty cool. Almost there, dude. Look, it's right there. Let's go.
Yes.
See if you can make it.
Yes.
That was good.
Yes.
We made it.
I'm gonna climb up on that rock again.
Again? How's it? You want your chips?
Here now, I'll have them in the car.
Coming down already?
Actually, I'm staying up here for a few
It's a
minutes.
little warm, I guess. The sun's right on it. You don't come down until I.
A dragonfly.
Where? Oh yeah.
Red one.
Yeah.
Dragonflies are cool.
Can you see the crystals? This is granite.
Granite?
Yeah. Can you see the crystals?
Are these fossils?
No. This formed underground. This was magma underground and it cooled underground.
So So how is it supposed to turn back into magma?
It's got to go back underground and get hot again. So the only place that where magma is underground, except when it comes up in a volcano.
Yeah. Till it cools down into granite.
You ready?
I didn't know granite could be this big.
Yeah. Look, you see how big these little crystals are in here? That means it cooled underground, so the crystals can grow big. When it cools fast, the crystals are tiny. Come on.
When it cools fast, the crystals are tiny.
Right, because the crystals don't have long to cool, right? They don't have long to grow. Stop. Stop right here. Stop. Yeah. Made it. Good one, dude.